Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday the 29th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us see what's happened overnight. It was a night where the central bankers took centre stage, and from Canada, Mr. Powell said low interest rates have done their job. This started immediate speculation about a Bank of Canada rate increase as early as next scheduled meeting in 2 weeks' time. Canadian dollar gained a lot of strength overnight. USCAD dropping and is now sitting at a key support level, and it's one of our chart of the day, so I will show that to you in a moment. From Europe, Mr. Draghi was also speaking again. Well, the euro continued to see demand after yesterday's hawkish comments from Mr. Draghi, which suggested that the ECB may be ready to signal a change in policy relatively soon. Currently now the euro sits at multi-months high as we approach that critical 114 handle. Let's see if we can break through that. In the UK, Mr. Carney signalled also that higher interest rates will be necessary if the global recovery spurs an investment revival and leads to stronger wage growth. So consequently what happened, the GBPUSD had a really strong day yesterday as well and has now closed a significant gap on our charts, and I'll show that to you. So this was the GBPUSD. The area in yellow was the gap that was present from 2 weeks or so ago, and that gap has now closed with yesterday's candle. Okay, now it is time for our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found for us today is it's the USCAD on a daily time frame. Now you can see clearly here I'm showing you a region of support. The market has come to this area on a multitude of times, and we are there again now. Let's see what happens. Now that big red candle from yesterday that we can see here, it represents all that Canadian strength as the US dollar weakened against the Canadian strength. Now what we need to wait for is a little bit of price action confirmation. As you've seen in recent charts, if you jump the gun you can get burned, so I always trade price action, so there's no dramas. The trades that did not get triggered, that's not a problem. So let's hope we get a nice inside candle over here, and then tomorrow we should be ready to hit this one. But definitely put this one on your hot list, USCAD daily. That is our chart of the day today. Okay, time to see what is about to unfold in the session that is starting. We only have one major bit of news this evening at 10:30 from the US. We have GDP numbers and unemployment claims. So that's pretty much all that we have for the session that is coming. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.